You are in the Build Report tab. This is where we actually create the safety data sheet, which we will export as either a .doc or a PDF. And essentially the way the program works, it will bring over the information you've entered into the various tabs, either into one of the text boxes or information in one of the tables, and allow you to generate it and edit it within this word processing area, and also export it from this word processing area. We'll press the Build SDS English button, and this will allow us to first of all find and fix issues. Sort of a quality check. We will press the Show Items, and it is giving us some action items. We'll just go ahead and we'll look at, we see there's 3 items at the top that are having priority 1. So the priorities are listed here, and we see that there's a country and also a postal code that's missing, and a date issue is missing. We'll just resolve the first issue by double clicking on it, and it actually takes us to the area, and we see that we're missing a postal code and also a country, and we can return to the Build SDS this way, and we see that we've resolved those first 2 issues, but there's still another issue that relates to the date, and this is in tab 16. We'll skip over that, so let's actually rebuild it, and we're just going to continue knowing that there is one issue still sitting out there that we might want to complete. And this is now letting us know that it's going to overwrite the text which is in this window. We'll accept that. Now we're provided with the SDS generation options windows, and there's actually 2 tabs. There's the main tab and there's a styles tab. This tab allows us to generate, to select certain formats such as the UN or the EU ECHA format, hide or display section numbers, change the indenting options. Section 2 allows us to change the size of the pictograms, include or hide hazard classification. Section 3, different formats. Section 8 as well, some formatting options, as well as Section 15, and style options as well, from the header options being perhaps different colors, having borders, having border thicknesses, etc. So all sorts of different options. And so we'll just accept the default. And it has gone ahead, and we have not completed the whole safety data sheet, but just for to illustrate this, you see it has carried over the our logo and the information from section 1, section 2, section 3, etc. So now the next step. So now let's discuss how to export the safety data sheet from this word processing section. Click on File, Save As, and then give it a name. We'll call this example SDS2, and then the type, let's call that a Word.doc, save as. And so that essentially has saved this as a .doc to the file location.